teaching children how to interact safely with dogs. When it comes to involving children in dog care and training, it is crucial to prioritize their safety and teach them how to interact with dogs in a responsible and respectful manner. By instilling these principles from an early age, you can ensure that both the children and the dog have a positive and harmonious relationship. Establishing boundaries. One of the first lessons children should learn is the importance of establishing boundaries with dogs. Dogs, like any other living beings, have their own personal space and comfort zones. Teach your children to recognize and respect these boundaries to avoid any potential conflicts or discomfort for the dog. Explain to your children that they should never approach a dog without first asking for permission from the owner or the responsible adult. Encourage them to approach the dog slowly and calmly, allowing the dog to sniff their hand before attempting to pet them. This not only helps the child establish a connection with the dog, but also gives the dog an opportunity to assess the child's intentions. Gentle handling and petting. Teaching children how to handle and pet dogs gently is crucial for both the child's safety and the dog's well-being. Instruct them to avoid pulling on the dog's ears, tail, or any other body part, as this can cause pain or discomfort. Instead, encourage them to stroke the dog's back or scratch them gently behind the ears, as most dogs find these actions enjoyable. Furthermore, emphasize the importance of not disturbing a sleeping or eating dog, as this can startle them and potentially lead to aggressive behavior. Teach your children to recognize the signs of a dog feeling uncomfortable or anxious, such as growling, baring teeth, or trying to move away. In such situations, they should immediately stop interacting with the dog and inform an adult. Recognizing and respecting a dog's emotions. Dogs, like humans, experience a wide range of emotions. It is essential for children to understand that dogs have feelings, can feel scared, happy, sad, or even stressed. Teach your children to observe a dog's body language and interpret their emotions accordingly. For example, explain to your children that a wagging tail does not always mean a dog is friendly or happy. A stiff tail or a lowered head can indicate fear or aggression. By teaching children to recognize these signs, they can avoid potentially dangerous situations and respond appropriately. Teaching basic commands. Involving children in dog care and training also includes teaching them basic commands that they can use to interact with the dog effectively. Commands like sit, stay, and come can help children establish control and manage their interactions with the dog. Encourage your children to practice these commands with the dog regularly, under your supervision. This not only helps improve the child's confidence and responsibility, but also strengthens the bond between the child and the dog. Supervision and guidance. Lastly, it is vital to emphasize the importance of supervision and guidance when children interact with dogs. Even if your child is responsible and knowledgeable about dogs, accidents can still happen. Always ensure that an adult is present when children are interacting with a dog, especially if the dog is unfamiliar or if the child is young. By providing constant supervision and guidance, you can prevent any potential mishaps and ensure that both the child and the dog are safe during their interactions. Remember, teaching children how to interact safely with dogs is a lifelong process. As they grow older, continue to reinforce these principles and adapt them to new situations. By doing so, you are not only promoting responsible pet ownership, but also instilling valuable life skills in your children. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Also check out my Patreon, link is in the description.